So this is my fidget box. So I'm going to pick one that I haven't had yet and tell you what I use them for and whether they're good. So this is actually self-made. I have a copper one in my bag, but it's like an infinity type cube. And I use it as a distraction tool, and it's also kind of fun to look at. Like I said, I have a better one. I'll show you. Here's the bigger one. But I mainly use it as a distraction tool, so it can help with anxiety, it can help with sensory, it can help with a lot of different things. But I use it as a distraction tool.